Oh, Joe. Please, I'm coming. I want to go and see my friend.
Honey, wait now. Where are you going to?
I want to go and see my friend.
I prepared something for you to eat too.
You prepare something for me?
Yes, sir.
Nobody leaves. What a nice combination.
Say I be fool, but I am a fool for you.
Oh, Jim. Honey, I want to ask you for something.
I'm all yours.
I need some money from you. I want to go to the market. I need some money. It's just 20,000 naira.
20,000.
Your love makes me.
Go and check your phone.
Thank you so much.
I just sent you 30 naira. Sorry, 33,000.
My phone is inside. I'll go and check.
Instead of
And you
20,000.
just enjoy yourself.
I just sent you money.
And I eat something before you leave.
Please, I'm coming. I want to buy something. Let me even go and see my friend. If I come.
Pajo, give me money for food.
I'm coming. I want to go and see my friend. If I come back, I will see you.
See which friend? Okay, wait there.
Manage 136 inside first now.
There's no money inside of me. I don't want to hear anything.
Hey, scoop it.